Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jack an Audi Q5. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Park your vehicle on a level, firm surface and engage the parking brake. Place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. This prevents any unexpected movement. Always use a reliable jack and a sturdy jack stand for support. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Finding the correct jacking points is crucial for safety and preventing damage. Your Audi Q5 has specific, reinforced areas designed for lifting. These are typically located just behind the front wheels and just in front of the rear wheels. Always refer to your owner's manual for exact diagrams. Using the wrong spot can cause serious damage to your vehicle's undercarriage or even lead to an accident. Once you've identified the correct jacking point, position your jack directly underneath it. Ensure the jack saddle makes full contact with the reinforced area. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle, watching carefully to ensure stability. Lift it just enough so the tire is completely off the ground. Immediately place a jack stand securely beside the jack, then gently lower the vehicle onto the stand for stable support. After completing your work, it's time to safely lower your Audi Q5. First, ensure all tools are clear from underneath the vehicle. Use your jack to slightly raise the car, just enough to relieve pressure from the jack stand. Carefully remove the jack stand. Then, slowly and steadily lower the vehicle completely to the ground. Once down, remove the jack and store your equipment properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.